Hey everybody, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. I wanted to talk to you about how healing works in our body, right? There's regenerative things that happen and degenerative things that happen. One example would be, my spine starts degenerating or my joints start degenerating or I get arthritis in my joint. That's degeneration. What we want to focus on is doing more things that help us regenerate. But this is not a fast process. If you see this chart here, a lot of us learn in biology that our red blood cells, it's a cell, are replaced every 120 days approximately. So literally you have a blood cell, it's floating around doing all these things. It cycles through every 45 seconds, literally for 120 days, providing your cells oxygen and nutrition. But after 120 days, it literally dies off and you make another one. This principle is phenomenal because this is how we can get healthier over time. When you understand that we literally have almost 100% brand new body every year, it changes your habits. It should anyway. Every 6 to 7 years, we literally have 100% new cells in our body, but 98% of our cells are new every year. If you just buckle down for the next year, you eat all real food, you take all good supplements, 99% of the ones out there are garbage, by the way. You exercise more, you sleep better, you will be different in a year because of this phenomenon, but it takes time. So we have to be patient. Some of us do this maybe, but you don't go to the gym for a week or 2 times, and then we go home and we look in the mirror like we're gonna look different all of a sudden. That's crazy, right? It takes time, but we know if we go to the gym 4 times a week for the next 6 months, I'll probably start to see something happen. But people are so impatient when we start doing functional nutrition with them because we're all unconsciously thinking that what we're taking is a medication maybe, right? We all know if we take morphine in about 15 minutes, we all know the outcome, right? You don't feel anything in your body. It's predictable, but it's a synthetic chemical and it's a medication. It's not healing you, it's actually degenerating you. It's not regenerating cells, it's actually inhibiting this process, right? So healing takes time. Once you understand this concept and our cells are constantly dying off and rebuilding themselves, every second you have 1 million cells that die. Every second this is happening, 1 million cells just died. Guess what though? You're also rebuilding 1 million cells at the same time. This phenomenon is incredible because it allows us to know that it's never too late to heal. You're never too old to heal as long as your brain and heart are working, but you do have to be patient. You do have to be persistent. You do have to have some of those daily rituals or, habits in place to make this possible. But most of us do a diet for a month and then we quit, or we exercise for a couple weeks and then we quit. You're never going to get anywhere if we have that mindset. Once you grasp this and realize the cells are dying off and you're rebuilding new ones all the time, what are you rebuilding those cells with? Your nutrition. That's why our nutritional formulas are so powerful, because they allow you to have the proper building blocks over time. So this next generation of stomach cells is healthier, and then the next generation after that is healthier. But we have to be patient. These are not medications. It's going to take time and persistence, but they always work if you do that.